Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All I gotta do is click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys are staying warm. Everybody is safe. 'Cause it is cold out here in Detroit. Freezing cold. That polar vortex is back. And now we've got something good here. Coming from Mukiya. What is bad focus? There we go. Mukiya. 4-in-1 design. Ooh. Foldable, portable design. Nightlight. Unique camera design. You got your smartphone. Earbuds, smartwatch. Oh, that's pretty sweet looking. You can take this on the road with ya. Be a little travel buddy. You always have a light, so that's a good thing. There we go. And of course, charging too. But hopefully 2026 will be a good year. Just never know sometimes. Here we go. Bada boom, bada bing. It is a day. So we got here, of course, a good old manual. There we go. Manual. And a power adapter. Basic kind of smartphone type deal. Got a pretty good sized cable. That's ready to roll. Man, it's nice and long. There we go. Boom. Device time. This would be last minute gift idea. Stocking stuffers. It's always a good thing to have something like this around to give somebody else. Nothing too crazy price, but a fair price. And if you want to know the price, just click the link. Here's the bottom. Gotta start at the bottom. And you go to the top. Ooh. Kind of looks like a camera, like a 9mm or the old school. It's crazy. It's pretty wicked. How do I work it? Is question. Is this supposed to be like this? There's a camera there. Oh. Kind of looks like a turntable. Wiki. Smartwatch goes there. That pops up like that. Here's this button. Probably have to plug it in. This probably be for the phone. It is time for connection. So right here, plug it in. I can see it. There we go. Plug this into the wall. Yeah, because I don't have any spots open on my charger. Okay. Give it 1 second. Boom. And it's long enough. Ooh. There's a little light. Let's see. Bam. Oh yeah. I gotta find my watch. Hold up. I found. There we go. Okay. There's where you put your earbuds. I can't find mine, so I don't know if I lost them again or. Oh, it's a little night light. Look at that. That's what they're talking about. Yeah, it's pretty bright for like a little area. Put your phone right there, or your watch right there. Boom. Boom. We're rocking. So really cool. Like I said, you can have your earbuds in the bottom. Phone's charging, your watch is charging. Excuse me. You got a little nightstand. Really cool. Definitely fit in your pocket. Like I said, it reminds me of so much of the old school cameras we used to have when I was a kid, back in the good old days. But, I mean, it's good now. But during the funner times. But yeah, really cool. I think you could change it. Yep, brighter. Whoa. That little button I showed you earlier, that's what I'm pressing. So yeah, that's really cool. Cool design. Everything works. Watch is charging. Earbuds, don't have them, but you know how these work. Nice little power station right here. Check them out. Mukiya? Mukiya? Sorry for butchering your name. Link down below. Thumbs up and subscribe. See ya.